All right, today I'm going to be doing a review on this Cooklife griddle, and I'm at my mom and dad's house. And check out this little kit that it comes with. It's a cleaning kit. It comes with this little brush pad, which is great for scrubbing off caked on grease, and this little plastic piece also is good for scraping it down. So what we're going to do is season it real quick. We're going to turn it on, spray with a little bit of butter, oil, and just let it get really hot. Today I'm eating at my parents' house, and my dad's over here making me some quesadillas with some eggs and cheese and whatnot, and some avocado. So yeah, this thing works out pretty well. I like the fact that it has a little lip on there so the stuff doesn't come out. We didn't cook the eggs and stuff on it, but you can definitely cook it. We were just mainly building this taco like burrito for lunch, but it worked out really well, did its job. And honestly, they were super excited. My parents, they've been cooks all their lives, and they're like so excited about this thing. I guess they can tell that it's good quality. It's cast iron. It's pretty heavy duty. It's good for tortillas and breakfast and whatnot. And here's the breakfast I had. Hopefully this review helped you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.